The late adopter. This guy. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we're doing Bitcoin. Why? Because it's gonna go up, So it's just broke some new all-time high, and we're gonna see what's happening. So let's get into charts, make my face smaller, chart bigger as always, because bigger charts always a good thing. That can't be a bad thing, right? So let's see. So basically we had here this trend line over here that was acting as a resistance line, and we broke it on the 17th February, and on the February you can see here we retested, and now we are going back up. You can see this very well on the 4-hourly chart. Now if you look at the 4-hourly chart, you can see clearly that we went above the resistance, went all the way down, or retested the resistance, and now we are supposed to go up. So I think the first target is going to be around 56, and I'm going to show you why I think it's going to be on the 56. But let's look a little bit more on the daily, just to confirm that this is actual breakout. So we're gonna remove this line and put up some moving averages, and this is a 20, 50, 100 and 200 moving average, and you can see we are quite extended from the moving average on the 20, but on the daily you want to watch for 10 moving average, and that's the yellow line. And why is that? Because in an uptrend, in a bull run, we are actually following the 10 moving average, the white line. You can see here it's only on the corrections and big correction that we go down to the 20 and the 50 moving average, but in a uptrend we are following the 10 moving average, and that came over here. So we bounced off the 10 moving average, went sideways, hit the 10 moving average, and now we are going back up again. So all of this confirms that we are actually going higher up. This is actually, and if you look on the 4-hourly line, this top over here just got broken right now. This top over here just got broken, and we are moving higher up. So all in all, looks very bullish. What I'm going to show you now is the RSI, and RSI on the daily looks actually bearish, but I'm going to tell you why it's not bearish, and it's actually gonna correct itself. So usually when people see something like this where there is a RSI divergence, so the RSI is going up, down, right, and the price is going up, people think this divergence, it has to correct. It doesn't has to correct. Only thing that has to happen is if price keep on pushing up, the RSI will catch up and get above this level over here at 89, and it will be corrected. So usually in strong trends, either on down or up, the RSI divergence can be, if not confirmed, it can be it's a lagging indicator, you know, because usually you don't know if it's hit the top before it actually starts correcting. So don't take that too seriously. Like over here, down here, I can show you one divergence that actually called the bottom over here down. So the price over here went lower, right? But the RSI this was on the 4-hourly, I think. On the 4-hourly, the price, if I can just make this, went lower, but the RSI went higher, right? And that's confirmed the divergence, right? But it's only after this move on the way up that we confirmed that this was actually a divergence. So using the lag indicator, we can conclude that this was some kind of bottom. It was gonna go higher up. I also posted this on the trading view if you are following me there. But yeah, so RSI divergences are not reliable. You know what I'm trying to say. Until actually they are confirmed, and by that point they don't help you much, but they can tell you that what has happened, is it real or not, and confirm some other stuff. So right now we are actually on uptrend and moving up upwards. MACD looks actually quite good on the daily, MACD on the daily, it was going up, but the moving average and the signal line were converging together, and it was looking like we were going to get some kind of bearish cross, but then it's not, it hasn't done that. So the MACD is still converging, but the price is going higher up. So I think this is going to actually go and correct that, and we are going to make another big move on the upside. I don't think we're going to get this big dump soon here or something like that. So I don't think that's going to happen. So now that we know that we are in the bullish trend that we know that we are in the way up. Some resistance have been broken, some supports have been tested, so we are going further up. So how do we what's the plan? Like, how far do we get up? Because right now, once you break the all-time high, it's a price discovery area. We have to figure out some way to find some new targets, right? And if you're holding this, there's no reason to sell anything. Of course, not financial lights, my opinion only and stuff like that. But holding, like, you can hold through dumps like this. It really doesn't matter. It's only when we start getting close to the top that maybe taking profits gets to be important. But right now, like, this is only trading. So we're gonna look at this on the daily, and we're gonna do something like on the 4-hourly maybe. Yeah, let's do 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we're gonna put some lines over here from there to something like this, top over here, and this, because this was some kind of a wedge that played out, and we got on the upside, and we are going further up. So what we can do here is use this move from the top over here to the bottom over there, something like that, and then put it wherever the breakout happened. And you can see here that the price is 55.8. Depends on how you measure the move, right? But it's around 56,000. Let's put the number at 56,000 just so it's a nice round number, also psychological level. So I think this move actually is gonna go all the way up to 56,000 before something happens, like a consolidation or some short-term profit taking. Exceptionally on the daily, that might do that. I think it's gonna go like 56,000 and then wait for the 10 moving average to hit 10 moving average again. Like I said, the 10 moving average, it gets hit a lot of times. If you look at the previous bull market, no, this was on the weekly. Sorry about that. I'm gonna show you something. With the moving averages. You know, on the weekly that everybody was calling, yeah, we have to get down on the weekly to 20 moving average because that's what price has always been doing. And that's a wrong thing, because this is a lot stronger uptrend. There are no big dumps, and the 10 moving average is actually the one to look for. So you can see here the price went to the 10 moving average. This is on the weekly, keep in mind that. Then price went more up to 10 moving average. It's gonna continue doing that, and it did the same thing in previous bull run, but people are not noticing that. So people are only watching the, let me turn off the 10 moving average actually. So people are only noticing this 20 moving average, 20 hit, 20 hit, 20 hit, 20 hit, 20 hit, and they're waiting for the 20 moving average to be hit on the weekly. It's not gonna be hit on the weekly. It's not on the daily. The 10 moving average is important. You can see here we went a little bit below that, but this was still not all-time high. Over here we went actually to the 20 moving average, 20. But these biggest dumps that happen here, they're not gonna happen. These happen once, 2, 3 times. They're not gonna happen again because there's just too much money, many big institutions buying in, and I don't think we're gonna see a 20% 20 moving average hit during this bull run. If that happens, there's gonna be maybe close to top. Like, I don't think it's gonna be close to top, but if that happens, I don't know. I don't think that's gonna happen. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Same thing on the daily. On the daily, we are watching the 10 moving average, not the 20 moving average. So now I got really nice tips for what's gonna happen, and the 56,000 is the next target for Bitcoin. Now it's your turn to subscribe to this channel if you like the analysis, because here on this channel we only do technical analysis, altcoins and stuff like. Sometimes Bitcoin, not sometimes. I'm gonna try to do Bitcoin a bit more because I need to become a big Bitcoin YouTuber sooner or later, because in bear market that's the only thing that counts. Altcoins just die out. Right now altcoins are big, but in the bear market they're not gonna be big. So thanks for watching. Like the video, even if you didn't like, just like the video so I can get more people watching my videos. Thanks guys, thanks for helping me out. See ya tomorrow. No, tonight I'm gonna make an altcoin video tonight, so be sure to check that out. Thanks, bye bye.